When I think about resilience, I don't just think about stockpiles. I think how people, information and resources work together. I'm Philip, a risk professional in the UK. This is UK Resilience Man. Practical resilience done properly. If this way of thinking makes sense to you, please subscribe. We don't share knowledge just to look clever. One prepared household can cope only so far. But a community of prepared households, that changes outcomes. In any emergency, these people become your network, whether you planned for it or not. You're not really prepared until your neighbours are. So when we pass on what works, we scale our resilience. We strengthen the whole street and beyond.